What's good, y'all? Just got to the shop. It is a little before 9. Got my first client coming in pretty soon. Gonna unpack this G&B Pro bag that we took over to the house call yesterday. But as you can see, the hex lights are no longer behind me. They are up above. So it looks really dope. I like how it looks in here. Shout out to my boss for always making sure we just keep it modernized. He's always going and constantly trying to elevate. So that's what's up. But got a good handful of haircuts today. Gonna get those done. And then we have, like I said before, we have the Grinch play for our church, which is going to be Friday and Saturday. So it's Grinch time. We got a practice Tuesday and Thursday, and then that's it. So let's get to unpacking this bag and to get to my first haircut. All right, before everybody gets here, let's go ahead and show you guys the fit. We have the Jayblends faded tee, the Miami South Beach collection. We got the hair cutting logo up there, kind of like the NBA, MLB logo. But for the shoes, we got on the Jaw Morants. I think these are the Jaw 2s with some gray sweats, Nike sweats. Here's a closer look at that logo right there. And then on the back, we have Jayblends.
When I was learning to play guitar.
Yeah. So allegedly this man is a musician, and we never knew about it.
No, never a musician. I wish I was.
First client of the day.
I wish I was.
He played the cowbell. That's what it was. What's good, y'all? So I have a bit of dead space here. I'm the only one in the shop holding it down today. A couple people sick, a couple people out doing different things. Good thing about being a barber is you get to make your own schedule. So I'm here though. I'm holding it down while David went to go to lunch. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit some videos and stuff that I have. I have to get a couple videos edited for church. So I'm gonna utilize my time wisely. Now that I have a little bit of a time, break time, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get some of these videos knocked out so I don't have to do it after work. So big thing, if you're a barber and you have dead space at the shop, utilize that time to create content or do something, promote your business, do something with your time. Don't just veg out watching YouTube, movies, scrolling on TikTok, Instagram. Make sure your time is utilized the right way because your time is valuable. Y'all done for the day. I am about to head to the Grinch play practice here in a little bit after I leave the shop. So with the last client, he wanted like a textured fringe look. It looked like he already had a haircut, but his hair was so poofy at first. It looked like it's just a giant mushroom. So he wanted it to be a little bit more tapered right here. So we got that taken care of. He loved the haircut. Had another older gentleman in the night. But yeah, I suggest if you're a barber, you know, when I was younger, I really enjoyed like the difficulty of some haircuts, designs and stuff like that. As I get older, I'm like, bro, give me the 2s on the sides, line up the back, comb over type business haircuts, middle part, stuff like that. I find myself wanting some haircuts like that, like to do as I get older, but it is what it is. I love doing what I do, and regardless of what sits in my chair, we're gonna cut it, because that's what we went to school for. So just cut it. Oh yeah, and one more thing, I did finish up the review on the 245 clipper, the T45, the Fabulous collaboration that came out. So that should be up today or tomorrow. Regardless, if you're watching this video now, go to my videos, find it, go let me know what you think in the comment section. But let's get home. I think my wife made spaghetti or something. I think she did, because I seen spaghetti sauce out and stuff like that. So probably go eat and then go to practice. Let's go. Look at that beautiful truck and beautiful sunset. Match made in heaven. Just the girls again. And I was right. Spaghetti. I knew it. I called it. Is it good? Delicious. You really like spaghetti, huh? All right, y'all. We have a package in. Got it delivered from Jordan. Thanks, Jordy.
Oh, I bring it in, and then the girl will live with it down because you wanted it.
Knuckles? Thank you. We gotta open it up. I wonder what it is.
It's a toy.
It's a toy? I don't
Yeah.
think so. Maybe a toy for Dad.
No, a toy for me.
Ah, psych.
I'm booked. I mean, I could move the self-loading to 9, which would give me enough time to ease back slowly into insanity. But what would I wear? Max, does this make me look fat? No, it's not a dress. It's a kilt, you weirdo. Too old, too dressy, too flashy. If I can't find nothing,
We're back from practice, and I wanted to show you guys the back part of my shirt a little more in detail. So this is what we got here. The 00. This is the South Beach type of jersey, like a Miami Heat type looking thing we got going here. One of my favorite shirts. All right, guys, so we got a package today. Showed you guys earlier, I think, when I came home, if I'm not mistaken. I think I did. But yeah, we got a package today. This is going to be from TPOB. So let's open this bad boy up. Inside here, we got some goodies. We got, first and foremost, we got the Echo Blade. We got 2 of them. And then we have the neck strips,
Hold on.
as you can see there. So we're gonna use these tomorrow. Close it. Good morning, y'all. Peep the fit here. We got the black on 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 black. Got the black jacket. Got a black pirate snapback. We got a Monster Ultra Vice Guava. We got on some cargo utility pants with the Yeezy 700s. Let me know what y'all think. There's the fit today. Davy's sick, so he's got on something. And you got those on though. The Vomeros. I actually like that colorway right there. Too light for me though. Got Luis with the ones. Check this out. Ooh. Oh. That's the Echo Blade. Like the one from Stylecraft.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna throw that on something and see how it sounds. Do some sound tests.
That's the design on the back. That's dope.
Yeah.
Little Echo sounds.
I bought 2. I'm gonna try to throw one on the go and on the play. All right, y'all. So we're gonna throw the Echo Blade on the TPOB Mini, and then also throw it on a go, just to see what it's operating like. But I might actually throw the Echo on a the OG TPOB play. Reason being, so I can test it next to another play that's out here now. I might do a little video like that comparing the two. All right, we got a wolf session here that got out of control. We're gonna get it under control. Let's do some work here. It's gonna be wavy. Hey, 7 on that. Well, that sounds so good. Yeah.
A lot of people should sound like it's going against a brick wall.
And guess what? To do as you say. It your way. Keep it on the down low. Nobody has to know. Keep it on the down low. My client said this is how some of y'all clippers be sounding. I know y'all hear that. That's the Stylecraft Instincts. Client's got the 3s on with the polo jammies. Too much horsepower. All right, y'all, this is what we're working with now. My boy's back to dipping. Get you a life jacket because you're going to go swimming. There it is. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all know what time it is. It's shoe 30. We got on the... I don't know what those are.
I don't either, bro, but you know, they comfy.
But they go. You see all Luis's poses? Luis be posing, bro. Yeah.
It's because they be showing off their calves.
I'm gonna go see what Hector has on. Oh, Hector!
Hey, that's how I'm gonna start posing, bro. I'm gonna be next to his leg.
Oh, wait, chill. Let me say it again. One more time for the camera, Luis. One more time for the camera. Oh my gosh. Hector, what you rocking today, bro? Okay. I like those. I like the double checks.
Yes, sir.
Because it's what we getting paid. Alright, y'all. So we put on the TPOB Echo Blade onto the play there, as you can see. Gonna turn that on. Low speed, high speed. Then we also have the TPOB Go with the Echo Blade as well. I'm gonna turn that on. And that is high, the boost mode. I'm gonna go see what, I love how this cuts. I haven't tried this yet. I haven't cut with this one yet. So we're gonna see how this cuts behind the chair, and I think it's gonna be good. So looking forward to using it. So we just gotta get another haircut in here. Another thing we're gonna have to do is get some of the guys to use them as well. Get some reviews. Oh, I'm recording it right now. We got Armando in the chair right here. We got the jams bumping. We got the boss man doing handiwork. You know, he stays making the place look pristine. Y'all seen the hex lights in the break room already. It's just another day, another dollar, another night to make the shop more baller. I don't know, I'm trying to rhyme. There's a final look for my boy. Nice and blurry. Using the Echo Blade, the TPOB Echo Blade. Which client? I guess. I booked late. I was late to my appointment. I have hat hair. And yeah, I'm that client. About to get cut by the goat. One more time, X. What'd you say? One more time.
I said Nico is that client that he doesn't like sitting in his chair. He doesn't like to book appointments. He likes to ask for a haircut like 5 minutes before he wants it, and then he gets mad at you if you can't squeeze him in. And then he'll wear, when he knows he has to, when he does book an appointment, he wears a hat or a beanie like the whole day up until his appointment time. And like, yeah, he asked for a low, dark, bulky, no fade skin, from shortest to dark, from lightest to dark. And then when our client asked for it in his chair, he's like, "We gonna buzz it today?" Oh man, that's Nico though. That's Nico as a client. I love it.
Sounds like me.
I love it.
But I love all my clients though, even those ones. Yeah. It's Vlogmas and we have Sergio, the great, back. Sergio starting again at Executive Barbershop. Hey, coming soon. We're gonna have a personal studio station for him.
Dream team getting back together.
Are you excited, Sergio?
We're super excited. Hey,
We can tell by your face.
Hey, for the fourth time, dream team. Hector, come get in this, bro.
Hector, go get in that.
It's gonna be the, what's it called? The picture.
The picture?
The beginning?
Oh, this is gonna be the thumbnail. Sergio's back.
Thumbnail.
That's it right there. Sergio's back.
That's how you get in here.
Lucky.
Yeah, I'll put you.
There it is, thumbnail. And then we're gonna have Sergio like highlighted.
Photoshop yourself in there. Photoshop yourself.
So if you guys remember, Sergio's been on, I think, 2 Vlogmases. And I think, yeah, 2 Vlogmases. He had a mullet back then. He's not mulleting no more. He's got a south side fade. He got Boosie fade. Who is this?
The one and only.
The one and only Fofito. He's part of Vlogmas. We never did a Vlogmas while Fofo was here.
Oh, you're doing that?
Yeah, this year. Go catch up. We're on episode 17.
Damn.
Yeah, record every day for the whole month.
No way.
Yeah.
I thought you stopped.
Yeah. Well, I did for a while, but we're back on it.
Okay. Hell yeah. I'll hop on.
Yeah.
Is it still the same intro?
It's a new one. Yeah, surprises. Go check it out. He hasn't been watching the episodes.
I've been watching episodes every day.
You have?
I haven't watched it.
Capping on cam. Cap on cam.
No, I'll hop on it, bro.
What's up, y'all? So there's the haircut, as you can see. Got a nice little blendy blend. Gonna head back to the house, go shower, get ready, head to church. I'm running late, so let's go. Hello.
A peasant.
We're at church. These are the media girls. Ladies.
That girl.
They're both res girls.
Child, that girl. Dude,
Here's a res boy.
yeah, I know. It's so serious. I never knew that child.
He's the drummer boy. Mustache gang.
Oh,
Abby, mustache gang. Show us what you got. Hey. Okay.
Because of my sinful nature, I am a slave to sin. Then writing to Romans chapter 8, verse 1, there is therefore now no condemnation to those who are in Christ Jesus, who do not walk according to the flesh, but according to the Spirit. We do and we will fight against sin. But listen to me tonight, perfectionism in this life is a myth.
We just broke the entire stage down because we're having a Grinch play. So there is the stage now. All the instruments off. About to put up the mountain. All right, y'all, that'll do it for the day. It is 10:20. Tomorrow we're going to go do some setting up at the church. We have the play on Friday and Saturday. And that's what we're doing. But until next time, we'll see you guys tomorrow. God bless.